To prepare bootable pendrive, we don't require any third-party software or application. Only by using command prompt, we can do it. So we require one pendrive of capacity approximately 8 GB to 32 GB and one ISO file which is having Windows bootable media. Hello engineers, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rahul and today in this video we are going to discuss how to prepare bootable pendrive by using command prompt. Please watch this video till end. So let's get started. So friends, let's now move to the screen. Connect your USB to your laptop or PC. Open command prompt, run as an administrator. Then type disk part and then press enter. Then type list disk, then press enter. It will show you the number of disks connected to your system. Now disk 0 is my local disk and disk 1 is my pen drive. So I will select disk 1. So type select disk 1, press enter. Then type clean. It will format your pen drive. Then type create part PRI, press enter. Then type select part 1, press enter. Then type format fs is equal to FAT32 space quick, press enter. Now it will formatting your pen drive 0 to 100%. After that type active, press enter. And then exit, press enter. Now your pen drive will become bootable pen drive. Now copy all files and folders present in your ISO media and paste it here in your USB drive. If you like this video, then please smash the like button, share it to your friends and colleagues, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you.